Rhythm number 26, we're going to use the second line as our example for this one. All right, here we go. Is the first beat divided? Yes, it is. What is the smallest note value? It is the eighth note. How many eighth notes are in the beat? How many eighth notes are in one quarter note? There are two. There's going to be two events, and there's either going to be a tas or claps or combinations of the two. There are two eighth notes written, not rest, so we're going to have two tas. Ta, ta. Is the beat divided here? The answer is no. We treat that as a ta from before. Is the beat divided here? The answer is yes. What's the smallest note value? Eighth notes. There's going to be two events. We'll have a ta here and a clap here. Is the beat divided? Yes, it is. What's the smallest note value? The eighth note rhythmic value. So there are two events because there's two eighth notes and a quarter note, one clap and one ta. Is the beat divided? No. So I'll have a ta through here. Is the beat divided? No. Is the beat divided? Yes. What's the smallest note value? Eighth note. We'll have to have two events. We have two tas. Is the beat divided? Yes. What's the smallest note value? Eighth note. There's going to be two events, a ta and a clap. Is this beat divided? No. Is this beat divided? No. So we're going to have a clap because there's a rest, and there's going to be a clap because there's a rest here. Make sure those claps span the length of a quarter note given your pulse. Is the beat divided? No. We're going to ta to initiate this note, hold through beat 2. Is beat 2 divided? The answer is no, but we will clap while we're holding this note to mark where the second beat occurs. Is this beat divided? Yes. We will have a tas and two tas or claps, or combinations of the two events happening here. The first one's going to be a clap because it's being held over until the start of beat 3. So we'll clap on beat 3 because we are not going to ta this note, and then we'll ta on this note, which is the and of beat 3. All right, let's get our quarter note pulse going on. Remember, you can go faster or slower as long as your quarter note pulse is steady. You may also use a steady metronome in the background if you like. And here we go. Ta 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 ta. I'll do it one more time. Here we go. Ta 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 ta.